Welcome to our deep dive analysis into one of the most exciting questions in the world of cryptocurrency. Which coin will perform the best in 2025 BTC, ETH, BNB, or XRP? In this video, we'll break down the fundamentals, current ecosystem progress, adoption rate, utility, price movements, and 6-month projections of each coin. We'll finish by comparing their strengths and risks to find the likely leader of 2025. Stay tuned. Bitcoin analysis. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrency, still holds the crown in 2025. With a market cap consistently over $1 trillion, BTC remains the most dominant digital asset. Fundamentals: limited supply. 21 million BTC max halving cycle. Last halving occurred in April. Due 2024. Reducing mining reward to 3.125 BTC. Institutional interest via Bitcoin spot ETFs. Use cases: store of value. Hedge against inflation accepted by Tesla, PayPal, and several global institutions. Price outlook: analysts predict that BTC may reach between $120,000 to $160,000 by the end of 2025, driven by post-halving rally, ETF inflows, institutional adoption risks, regulation, energy usage debates. Verdict: BTC will likely remain a strong performer due to institutional trust and scarcity. Ethereum analysis. Ethereum is the king of smart contracts in DeFi. With its massive developer community and transition to proof of stake, Ethereum is now more scalable and sustainable. Fundamentals: ETH 2.0 upgrade completed. Burning mechanism makes ETH deflationary, dominates DeFi. NFT and Web3 ecosystem use cases: smart contracts, dApps, Layer 2 platforms like Arbitrum, Optimism, Xync. Recent developments: rollup-centric roadmap, Layer 2 adoption skyrocketing, institutional DeFi interest increasing. Price outlook is expected to hit $7,500 to $10,000, driven by Ethereum restaking boom, institutional DeFi interest, growth of L2 and account abstraction. Risks: gas fees remain high during congestion, competition from newer blockchains like Solana and Avalanche. Verdict: Ethereum remains the top utility chain, and its network effect makes it a top contender. BNB analysis. BNB is the native token of Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It powers both Binance Smart Chain and the Binance Exchange ecosystem. Fundamentals: BNB has quarterly burns, reducing supply. High utility within Binance ecosystem. Powers gas fees. Launchpad and DeFi on BSC use cases. Trading fee discounts. BNB chain transaction. Gas yield farming. Launch pool. Staking. Recent growth: Binance Smart Chain continues to host top dApps, new regulatory licenses obtained in UAE and parts of Asia. Binance focusing on decentralized offerings, post-regulatory pressure. Price outlook: BNB could rise to $850 to $1,200, depending on recovery from past regulatory issues, growth in Binance's global presence, BSC upgrades. Risks: heavy reliance on Binance Exchange, regulatory uncertainty in major markets. Verdict: if Binance thrives globally, BNB could outperform, especially in a bullish altcoin season. XP analysis. XRP has had a rough journey with legal battles, but it's making a powerful comeback. The token is designed for fast and cheap cross-border payments. Fundamentals: Ripple Labs uses XRP 4.0 SEC versus Ripple lawsuit largely settled in favor of Ripple. Strong global partnerships with banks and payment processors. Use cases: cross-border payments, liquidity provision for financial institutions. CBDC infrastructure experiments in several countries. XRP could rise to $1.50 to $2.50. Boosted by full legal clearance institutional adoption, CBDC developments tied to RippleNet. Risks still faces regulatory challenges in some countries, less decentralized than BTC or ETH verdict. XRP is the comeback story of 2025, great potential with lower market cap, but needs more momentum. Comparative analysis metric, BTC ETH BNB XRP use case. Store of value strong, growing, moderate, rebuilding. So, which coin will rule 2025? Bitcoin will remain the institutional favorite in digital gold. Ethereum will dominate in utility, smart contracts, and innovation. BNB has explosive growth potential tied to Binance's dominance. XRP is the dark horse, ready for a massive comeback if legal and institutional adoption aligns. Final thought, diversification is key, rather than betting on one. A well-balanced portfolio across these four might be your best strategy. Comment below, which coin is your pick for 2025?